Hello guys, welcome back and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So today we'll be continuing with our Materia Medica flashcard series of 3rd BHMS, wherein the next drug which we'll be covering is Tarantula hispanica through a flashcard. So let us see Tarantula. Source is Animal Kingdom, common name Spanish spider, family Arenidae, prover Dr. Nunes, temperament is hysterical and thermally the patient is chilly. Ailments from fall, unrequited love, bad news, scolding, punishment, sepsis. Borix Materia Medica introduction. In Tarantula, there is remarkable nervous phenomena. There is presence of hysteria plus chlorosis. There is chorea, which is very marked. Dysmenorrhea plus spinal irritability and bladder tenesmus are important keynotes of Tarantula. There is a sensation as if of constriction, formication, extreme restlessness, must keep moving in constant motion even though walking aggravates the complaint. There is hysterical epilepsy plus intense sexual excitement seen in the patients of Tarantula. So this contains the whole gist of the remedy through Dr. Borik's point of view. The sphere of action of Tarantula is nervous system, especially the terminals of nervous system, and genitourinary symptoms are well marked. It is a right-sided remedy. Now let us look into the guiding symptoms of Tarantula. Guiding symptom, restlessness. So whenever you hear the word spiders, and immediately the word restlessness strikes our mind. So like a doctrine of signature wherein the spiders are very restless, they cannot sit in one position, they frequently move here and there and must keep themselves in motion. Similarly, the same things are seen in the patient of Tarantula. There is marked restlessness, cannot keep quiet in any position, must keep in motion, though walking aggravates all the conditions and symptoms. Constant movement of legs, arm, trunk with inability to do anything is well marked in Tarantula. There is hyperesthesia, common in spiders. Least excitement irritates, which is followed by great sadness. The patient is very sensitive to music, although music relieves nearly all symptoms, but sometimes it excites violently. Aversion to food and meat, and there is craving for raw food. Some other guiding symptoms of Tarantula: there is extreme sexual desire leading to sexual mania. Annual periodicity Annual periodicity of symptoms is well marked in Tarantula. The tongue, mouth, throat get intolerably dry, especially during sleeping and at every menstrual period. There is cough which is only better and relieved from smoking, which is again an important keynote of Tarantula. Now let us look into the mind of Tarantula. In mind, there is anxiety of mind and the body. Cardiac anxiety is very prominent. There is strong aversion to striking colors like red, black and green. Patient is sensitive to music. Loss of shame, lascivious, uncontrollable sexual desire is very prominent in Tarantula patients. Feigns all sort of sickness. So the patient will feign and enact all sort of sickness, not only imagine it but also pretend to be sick when they actually aren't sick. That is again very important characteristic symptom of Tarantula. Wherever there is no observer, there is no hysteria as such. The patient are very violent. Violence is very marked and 3 marked in Tarantula patient, and it is a strong feature. Patient is foxy, cunning, destructive mentality types. Consolation causes weeping in the patient. Nervous system. There is extra irritability of nervous system, especially the termini of nerves, is again an important keynote of Tarantula. Choric affection of the whole body or right arm and left leg. Twitching, constant movements plus inability to do them. There is twitching and jerking of the muscles. Hyperesthesia, which is aggravated from touch and better by rubbing. Restlessness is which again very prominent in all spiders. Now let us finally look into the modalities of Tarantula. Aggravating factors are motion, contact, touch of affected parts, noise, change of weather, and ameliorating factors is in open air, music, rubbing affected part. So with this guys, we have covered Tarantula in a nutshell through a flashcard. Some important points which you need to remember are the preliminary data, which helps us to write our 5 markers and make them better for the examiners to know that the student has really taken efforts to study the Materia Medica drugs. Then we saw the Borix Materia Medica introduction, which covers the full gist of the remedy. Then we saw the important guiding symptoms, wherein we need to remember restlessness, hyperesthesia, sensitive to music. In mind, we saw prominent and cardiac anxiety, loss of shame, lascivious, uncontrollable sexual desire. Nervous system, there is extra irritability. So this was Tarantula in a nutshell. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. It will motivate us to make more and more such videos and series for you all. And please also do share it with your friends, of your classmates and in your college. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.